Hi, here is Richard Koza from SimpleStockTrading.com. In today's video, I would like to show you details of a swing trade I made with VLO ticker in January 2014. VLO ticker was in my watch list of bullish tickers. I found this ticker during Christmas period, holiday trading in 2013. I generally do not like to trade during Christmas period, as volume during this period is very low, as you can see on this daily chart. The volume during Christmas period decreased a lot from pre-Christmas period, pre-holiday period. So I did not trade the breakout I found the stock made during just a day, just on December 23, 2013. But I like the stock, so I put it in my watch list for possible trade in January. What I liked also was that when you see the midterm period chart, weekly chart I have here, you can see that the resistance in area about 47.60, 47.40 to 48.50 in this area was broken or during Christmas 2013. So what I wanted to do was to monitor this stock, this ticker, if it offer some pullback to a former resistance area, now support area, and offer some trading opportunity in January. What I found right after start of year 2014 was that the VLO ticker made a huge move on December 31st, the last day of year 2013, with a little bit higher volume. As you can see here, with little bit higher volume than during previous 5 days. So it looks like somebody is buying this stock. I also saw 3 days of relatively standard pullback move back to the area 49 US dollars with small volume. I noticed that on 6th January it tried to move up again with again relatively higher volume during this move up than the volume was during down days or pullback days. So I prepared my so I thought that it could start a new move up again, and I prepared a setup for this stock to trade in the coming days. The details of setup you can see here. You can see here as I planned to entry at 51.48 with a stop loss at 49.50, and my expected target, exit is not fine, but target was about 58. What led me to these values? I want to entry just above this just above area defined by these candlesticks, by this pattern, and with a stop loss right under right at low of this last candlestick. I don't want to see the move that start with a breakout to new high only to return back. In such case, I want to be out of the trade, as I assume it is failed. It failed, so my stop loss is right below here. I planned my stop loss right below here, below this candlestick. So and what target I expected? Well, I saw this move that lasted from 42 to 48, about six or from 40 to 48, about 6 to 8 points. So I expected that it can make again 6 to 8 points from 48, 49 level. So it can be at 50, 57, approximately 58. I also knew that market was in a very strong bullish situation, so I expected a little push from the market to new highs. Okay, so my stop loss was set, my entry was set, and I started to monitor this ticker also during trading days, coming days. So what happened next? On January 7th happened what I expected. The stock moved strongly up with, look, 200% volume. So it was really strong breakout to new highs. So I entered stock when I check my diary. I saw that I entered the stock at 51.56. I put my stop loss, as I mentioned, to the area of 49.50, and now I am in waiting and trade management mode only. So what happened next? The next day, stock again moved slightly up with a strong volume, again very huge volume, and finished close. Price finished close the high of the day. But this move allowed me to move my stop loss to more favorable place for me, because I was able to put stop loss below the low of this candlestick, which was 50.69. So I put it into 50.68 or 67, and it is my risk was minimized from the first stop loss risk I prepared. And again, I waited what will happen next. The next day, stock made new highs and move up to 53 level. At the end of the day, I was able to move my stop loss below the low of this trading day, which was 59.95. So I put my stop loss to 59.94, and it means that in this case I expected that my trade will finish without any loss for me, because I entered at 51.56. So my stop loss has been moved to I moved my stop loss already to profit. So I started to be fine with this trade. I also saw the volume during the move up, as you can see all 3 days was accompanied by huge accumulation and buying. So I expected a little bit more movement up. Next day, what another movement, another slightly up movement. So again, I moved my stop loss below the low. So it was to low was 52.26. I put my stop loss to 52.25 and waited for next day. Oh, next day situation changed and price started to decline. It went through my stop loss and 52.25 and I exit the trade and 52 and at 52.25. So, well, I finished the trade in profit. Oh, okay, it was not a huge profit, but I was pretty happy that the trade worked well and as expected. So this is typical example of swing trade that lasted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, so 1 week trade, and made nice profit for me. If you would like to ask any question regarding this trade, contact me using contact form on my webpage simplestockTrading.com, and I will be happy to answer your questions. I also made videos of more my trades and put them into my private trading blog, which is available to members. So if you want to see more videos, join the group of traders which read my that read my private trading blog, and details again on my simplestockTrading.com webpage. Thank you very much, and trade well. Bye.